Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 on your iPhone without using computer. For example, if you have recently downloaded and installed the iOS 26 beta profile on your iPhone, now if you want to remove it from your iPhones and you also don't want to use the computer, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have recently joined the Apple developer program, which means you have created your account on Apple developer program, and after that you will be able to download and install the beta profile on your iPhone. And as you click on software update, that option will be available as a beta update, so you will find that. So if you do not have a developer program, then you will not find any option related to beta updates. So if you turn this off, you will also not be able to get that 26 beta profile. So but if you have already downloaded and installed the iOS 26 beta profile, now if you want to remove it, for this you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here you have to simply go to VPN and device management, and here you have to simply log in into your Apple developer program. And as you have recently downloaded and installed the beta profile, so there will be shown a remove profile option, and after that you have to simply click on that, and you will your profile will be removed. But you have to make sure that as you remove that beta profile from your iPhone, you will not get any further beta profiles on your iPhone. So you have to make sure about that, but you will get the official iOS 26 update on your iPhone, and you will not get any beta updates further of iOS 26 if you remove the profile from your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.